touch me. And she verbally assaulted her.
I know this guy. Relax. I got him. He's trying to bite you. He's trying to bite you. I know, I got it.
Restrained passenger biting officers inside an international airport terminal. 3 airline employees already assaulted. The question is not whether crimes occurred, the question is which statutes apply, how the charges stack, and how far the legal exposure actually extends.
So we figured, well, you guys want us to like,
What happened?
So she was upset that, you know, she touched her hand with her glove, with a dirty glove. And so she was upset. Shelly was trying to de-escalate. She proceeded to go to the back alley, starts arguing, and she's like, you can't touch me. And she verbally assaulted her, so both assaults.
Wow, the verbal just
Move, police, move, police, move.
Thank you, finally.
I know this guy. Relax. He's tied up. He's tied. He's tied.
So he's zip tied. He's trying to.
He's tied. He can't go. He's tied. He got this. I know this guy.
Homie, you are
Dude, this
funny
is
as
the same
fuck.
subject from the Mount Michigan.
Y'all are getting it. Okay,
Yeah, I'm good.
Jeremy. Y'all are done. Y'all are done.
He's biting. He's biting.
Let go of him.
I got him. He's trying to bite you. He's trying to bite you.
I know, I got it.
He's trying to bite you.
He's zip tied, but he's trying to bite.
He's trying to bite.
You got a spit hood?
Right here. Give me an arm. Hold on. Right arm's here.
He's zip tied though.
Okay, let's hold on. No. I got it. We're locking in like this.
Just watch.
I got him.
Can we get you to take it and see somebody else? He's on something for sure when I was talking to him earlier.
He's insane, not only
Back?
You want to go to the floor over here?
No, just leave him seated.
Okay.
What the fuck?
You got a cup? Yeah. Who's got scissors? Exhale. She's throwing on him.
Arm back. Bring your arm back. Arm back.
He's puking. Give him a second. Oh, he's puking.
Y'all right.
Hey, put your left hand. Fuck you. Oh. Okay, help me bring his arm back. Ready?
I got his head. Is he zip tied to the seat?
Still, yeah.
Is he? I got.
Oh, yeah. I think he is. He is.
Right there.
Put him in recovery.
Go that way?
Yeah, we'll lay him down towards here. Just get him in a recovery position.
Towards you.
Press. Yep.
Stop! Stop!
If you have A1 through 15, A1 through 15,
We're gonna scoot him my way. Just find him.
you are allowed to start.
Hey! Stop!
Does anybody have a
So, yeah. What happened?
Flipping out, dude. Flipping out. He hit her and then told him to back up and he fucking slapped the shit out of him. Then he bit me.
It's probably his ID.
I got his ID already. He's ID'd. Same guy.
Guess we could get him outside.
Yeah.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Coming back? Yeah.
Put this on him or no?
Probably not, because that's all his stuff.
Yeah.
That's all his.
Is someone taking a statement from you?
I'm not police, but I am talking to her.
Do you need a?
Did he?
He hit me. He hit me twice, but I mean I'm fine. I didn't get hurt. But
Do you want to press charges?
Yep, I will be happy to do that as long as because that's not okay.
Okay. Let me give this wallet over to.
Perfect. You're the one that got bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me. Okay.
Can I take a picture of that as well?
Yeah.
I'm pretty.
Hey, you good?
Yeah.
Good.
The next one come at 10:30. She's a above doing supervisor. She called for law enforcement. In the event, she kept calling, so I went upstairs. As I came out of the jet bridge, I see her in his face, and he literally in her face, and she's like, please get out of my face, please get out of my face. And he literally slapped her hand, then dropped back down to grab his stuff again. And as I'm like, sir, please back up. I didn't even touch him at first. I didn't touch him. Then he literally swings around with his hat, like a hat or a pillow, and hit her in her face. And I'm, sir, back up, back up. And he looks at me. He's like, you're pussy, types of words. And he's like, you're just like one of them. And then he literally spits on me.
Okay.
And
Just test it, guys. Ready? Yep. Here we go. Get that on the front. Alright, come in there. You want to go that way?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go
Put him
back
in butt
first?
first, yeah.
Somebody's going to have to hop in there, maybe. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, first. Hold on. Ow! Ow! Okay, here we go. Up. Ow! 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 Get on the side. Hey! Helmet.
You're the worst people in the world.
Hey, look at that.
I'll drive very gentle.
I think we're going to try that same thing on the other side.
Yeah. Nasty. It's like the bombing was like
Someone going with you?
yeah, remains gonna
Okay.
hold it from
You good? Yep. You good? Good?
Graham v. Connor, 1989. The Supreme Court established that law enforcement use of force is governed by the Fourth Amendment objective reasonableness standard. Force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, using only information available at that time, never with the benefit of hindsight. Washington's RCW 9A 36.041, assault in the fourth degree, Class A misdemeanor, maximum 364 days. This statute requires only intentional offensive contact. Physical injury is not an element. The hand slap, the object strike to the face, and the act of spitting each satisfy the standard independently and are charged as separate counts. Washington courts do not merge assault charges arising from discrete acts against separate victims, even within a single encounter. 3 victims, 3 acts, 3 independently chargeable offenses. Each count carries its own sentencing exposure. Aggregated, the misdemeanor charges alone represent significant custodial jeopardy. Washington RCW 36.031, assault in the third degree, Class C felony, maximum 5 years. This statute explicitly covers assault upon a law enforcement officer performing official duties. A bite constitutes assault within this statute. Penetration of skin is not required. Continued biting while restrained does not reduce the offense. It completes it. Spit hood deployment. Ninth Circuit courts applying Graham v. Connor have consistently upheld spit hood use as constitutionally permissible intermediate force when a subject is actively biting or spitting on personnel. The device must not restrict the airway. Standard mesh spit hoods satisfy that threshold. Deployment is proportional when the biting threat is active and documented on camera. Washington RCW 10.31-100, arrest by private person. A private individual may lawfully detain someone who commits a felony or misdemeanor in their presence. Assaults witnessed directly by airline staff provide sufficient legal authority for pre-police detention. This statute protected staff from civil liability for unlawful restraint. City of Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital 983, the Due Process Clause requires officers to provide reasonable medical care to persons in their custody. Pausing force application during a vomiting episode is not a tactical error. It is a constitutional obligation. Failure to do so creates civil exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Washington's RCW 9A 16.09. Voluntary intoxication cannot be used to negate the mental state required for assault. The legislature has specifically barred this defense. Apparent drug or alcohol impairment observed on scene is a tactical factor relevant to force calculation, not a legal shield. Criminal exposure is unchanged by the subject's condition. Lesson of record. Witness statements captured immediately on camera carry significant evidentiary weight. Victim cooperation stated on record strengthens prosecution. Every restraint applied, every force, pause, every verbal exchange documented on Bodycam is not incidental. It is the evidentiary case file. The statutes are clear, the evidence is on camera, but what did the prosecutor actually file? Were all counts pursued or were charges reduced at the charging conference? If prior criminal history exists, how does Washington Sentencing Reform Act, RCW 9.94a, alter the sentencing range? The footage captures the arrest. The court record tells the rest of the story.